Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Da ki phongot ki Phadar bat ki nongyalam niam kristan ki lawan poi ha Jantar Mantar ha New Delhi ban Mynsiem ya ki lakngot ki Samla Pule ki bedang don ha pedeng ka jingki la sapreng ki video ha ki rensan social media ya ka bala ringdur ha ka por ba ki Phadar ki wan poi sha Jantar Mantar ha ki comments bapher ha social media bun ki la yaro ya ka jingwan ki Phadar ban kersan ya ki Samla Pule hanrai donru ki bakantho da ka baong bakani ka jingwan jongki kadon ka jingyas no ru bat ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 ba ka sarkar kalawan ra.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.